In this clip now, let's talk about hurricanes. In the earlier segments, we've been talking about the difference between watches and warnings. Another segment, we were talking about tornadoes. So now let's talk about hurricanes. Much like tornadoes have their own scale, the Fujita scale, that you can interpret the different types of categories, hurricanes have a different scale, not the Fujita scale, but the Saffir-Simpson hurricane scale. So when we look at the categories here, I've got it on another table for you. There are 5 different categories. When you think of Hurricane Katrina, the devastation that caused, that of course, without thinking, was a category 5 when you're measuring that type of damage. But an easy way to range and gauge hurricanes, of course, too, is looking at the wind speeds. So when you're looking at the category 1, the wind speeds 74 to 95 miles per hour. 2 is 96 to 110 miles per hour. It gets a bit stronger. You jump up to 4 and 5. Well, a category 5 is wind gusts or wind speeds of 155 miles per hour or greater. So you can see the different types of effects that these hurricanes cause as well, but this is a way that meteorologists can relay the information to viewers, to an audience in a television setting, and it's at least a way to measure the type of hurricane and correspond or relay that information to the people listening. So if they know it's a category 5 hurricane, they know it's very serious in nature. If it's a category 1 or 2, it's still serious, but of course not as serious as a category 5.